Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the prices of on the Bus London application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then tap on this more button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then tap on fares, which is the third option. Here you can select the payment type at the top, then you can select the ticket type, and here you can see the different tickets such as pay as you go, daily cap, 7-day pass, monthly pass, annual pass, and here you can see the restrictions. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.